We are at 4136 Schuylkill Drive in Calabasas, California, 91302, performing a video sewer inspection from the kitchen clean out, a 2-inch kitchen clean out, and we are now just at the curb line, headed out to the street. We are in the 6-inch clay lateral. We went past at least one or two areas that had root intrusion that were not extremely heavy, but had considerable roots and that were separated or offset just a little bit. Now we're in an area right at the curb line that is compacted with roots, which we cannot get past. And as you can see, we're underwater. It's holding water at that point. We're going to wait, and hopefully it's going to subside enough. We had the kitchen sink faucet running that we can see this area. We'll wait a couple minutes and see if it does subside. If not, we'll start pulling back, and we'll show the condition of the remainder of the 6-inch pipe and the 4-inch ABS pipe. The 4-inch ABS pipe, as far as we could see, looked to be in fair condition. As we pull back slowly, we'll be able to see the 4-inch a lot better than what we could going in, because we have to push in quite fast. So we'll let this subside, and then we'll take a look at the remainder of the line. Okay, we've waited more than 5 minutes now to try and see if this area would subside enough to where we could see this area, but we cannot. It's right at the curb area, and it's about 7 foot 5 inches deep. We've probably got about another 15 feet of 6-inch lateral to inspect, which we cannot. A 4-inch mainline cleanout needs to be installed right at the house as the sewer line exits the house, the 4-inch plastic. This way we could clean this line and re-inspect it. So we're going to pull back at this point and inspect the remainder of the line. As you can see, we're floating in water right now. It's holding water back because of a very heavy obstruction. You can see where it's holding the water here, and then we go underneath water, and there's a lot of roots. There's a very heavy amount of roots in the 6-inch pipe. And that's the transition right there from the 4-inch plastic to the 6-inch clay, which is about 7 feet back, which is on the house side of the sidewalk. This is all 4-inch ABS plastic at this point. That's the inspection tee that we just passed right there. That's the inspection tee. When you run the 4-inch plastic, you have to fill the line up, make sure the 4-inch plastic is good. So that was installed properly. Now we're pulling back toward the house. It's actually coming up vertically. You can see the camera dangling, and now it's turning, coming back horizontally. Like I said, back toward the house again. 4-inch plastic so far looks to be in good condition. No issues whatsoever. Appears to be some very minor root intrusion in this plastic joint on the right hand side. It may have had a little gap where it was glued possibly, or it's coming in from the bottom. It looks like there's a fitting there. We're going to go out and mark this area. This may have even been a buried clean out outside the house, so we're going to go mark it and see what we got. this area right here with root intrusion. Appears to be a 4-inch test tee that is right at the house, a little over 2 foot deep, and this is where it needs to be dug up anyways to install the mainline clean out, so this area would be repaired at the same time. Now we're pulling back in underneath the house, back toward the center of the house, and then to the kitchen. This is also 4-inch sewer piping, all ABS plastic, appears to be in good condition. A little tiny bit of buildup, makes a turn, going back toward the kitchen area, and now it restricts down to a 2-inch line, which we'll be hitting here momentarily. Actually, maybe in the 2-inch line. It's already reduced. This is the kitchen sink line, reduced out toward the center of the house. All appears to be in good condition. No problem with this area. There's a turn. That's a 2-inch kitchen sink clean out that we perform the inspection through. That concludes our video sewer inspection. We got a call into senior inspector for the city of Calabasas to talk to them about the 6-inch lateral and see exactly what their policy is. Then we will inform the clients. Thank you.